Hello chat, welcome. How are you guys doing today? Thank you. As you guys can see, we're doing best practices for boat film management. Coat your boat. Applying an improved anti-fouling coating suit for your boats. Operating profile to the surfaces indicated in this figure can minimize biofouling growth to promote efficient sailing and save you money, which that is a good thing of saving money. Don't forget cooling pipes, anchor wells, and other internal surfaces exposed to water should also be cleaned regularly. Okay. How can you manage marine patrolling on your recreation boat? Let's see. Blah. Sorry guys, I'm kind of in that kind of mood. Guys, that was one of the most shortest episodes we have ever done. So, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next season, season 2.